Racing gas is started with Tisay. Moving upon the outside, Saint-Tropez, Leather King, in between horses, Kiss, Bang, Bang, Magdapio, Yani, no, Yana, 1,000 years comes next, and on the outside, now is I Am Alert, getting the wide straight as they make the first turn is no, Yana, while isang kahig, isang tuka is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Saint-Tropez on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 5 lengths lead. Leather King in second, Yani, no, Yana, now in third, and in fourth, Magdapio. Then comes 1,000 years. Then down on the inside now is Tisay. No, Yana also moving at isang kahig, isang tuka, Kiss, Bang, Bang, while Perfection is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Saint-Tropez, a solo flight, leads by about 4 lengths. Yani, no, Yana is slowly but surely now coming to get closer and improving, and now taking the lead. It's now Yani, no, Yana with a breakaway run by about 6 lengths over no, Yana in second, Tisay in between horses, and finally the curtain closer, Yani, no, Yana, second, no, Yana, Tisay, then comes Kiss, Bang, Bang, Leather King, Magdapio.
Para dito sa ating last race, ang ating pong unofficial winner, itong numero 2 na si Yamino Iyana. At yan pinirendahan ni JM sa ulog na sa segundo, yung kakopod din niya na si Noriana.